Yo, and today we're heading out to Indianapolis, Cars and Coffee at Indiana Spine Group or Hospital, one of those. But we'll see you when we get out there. We got a M3 on the lot. It doesn't look like one. You think he debadged that boy?
I don't know.
Mustang 5.0. Damn, he's on bags. Yeah.
Yeah, he's on bags.
Sick. Bunch of clean culture. But with all that room,
Yes.
yeah, he has a lot of room. Yeah.
He
Took everything out basically. Old school Beamer, Honda. We got an NSX out here. The rims, bro. Carbon fiber hood. That's different.
Look how low that thing is. I seen this before.
You said you seen it before?
Yeah, I seen it.
I don't even know what this is.
It's sweet.
You like Stingers?
Tesla's terrible thing. Right.
How you feel about Stingers?
They're pretty good.
Yeah.
But this truck, I'm not really trucking it. It's a park.
You got a cat. Shelby GT. Nice supercharger up top. It's just a GT. Yeah. Big turbo. Big turbo.
I think it's fat. The headlights, bro. The headlights are in the bunker. That one looks clean as shit. This one, bro.
Fiat.
Dude,
Oh,
there's some Fiats that were crazy.
that's a Abarth. Vet. There's another yellow Vet over there that's super nice.
Bro, but right here.
You see the engine bay on that?
Come on, honestly.
Where that turbo at? You got a turbo in here somewhere.
Non-existent.
Non-existent.
No, it's not.
Nice Mazda though, to
Actually,
be
wait,
honest.
wait.
These go for a lot. Transit rims. Clean culture. Oh, that's cruise culture. Look at this SS.
I'm swapping it in mine.
Square.
Now this truck, what the fuck? This thing is buffing.
Bro, that engine bay is nice though.
I think it's clean as shit.
Another GT. You got the old schools out here.
Yeah, for real. This thing is sweet.
Yeah. I'd probably want to get that SS that was over there. Yeah. NRG steering wheel. 5.0 engine.
The old school ones are sick. Sweet as shit.
The Exotic Club. McLaren. That boy don't like the McLaren.
I like P1s. But bro, it's the Viper.
This Viper is nice.
Fucking crazy. Dude, that ring looks so good.
Ferrari.
Ferrari's rings look fucking crazy. Ferrari's for GTs.
Yeah. Another GTO. A lot of Mustangs out here.
Yeah, a lot of buses.
This Vet though. It's a different Vet.
The M6. I've driven mine too. I probably
The Vet Squad. The black on black is nice. Right?
Oh, dude, this is the S6 I want right now.
Walking down to the other side, we got another SS over here. Another SS right here. 350Z. Scat Pack. Got the homie's car. Alright, let's head out back here real quick. Look at that old school caddy. Drop top 2-door.
Just starting this shit.
Nigga will forget he's here, bro. He will forget he's here.
He's like, damn, these cars are sweet.
Of course.
There's a shootout coming. Like, he's running. He's like, you're the opposite. He's fighting. He's like, oh shit, I forgot I was.
Hey. NDG 37. Damn.
That's crazy. Dude, this is literally just life telling me I need a motorcycle, bro.
R1 out here.
This is the exact same bike I want, bro.
I like the purple on it.
Yeah, bro. I look clean.
Are these new Kia badges or something? CTSV. Mickey Thompson.
See, I need a pair of these.
You want some slicks?
Yeah, but I need more power first. That Ferrari is crazy.
The Stinger is low-key nice.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is. The twins out here. This wasn't the one on the dyno, was it? So much.
I heard like at least I heard from the highway, bro.
Yeah, bro.
My bad. That opposite is like rich. Look at that info.
Bro, that's clean.
I don't know. It looks like I worked there.
Oh, carbon fiber interior. Carbon fiber. Trim cutouts. SRT Challenger.
Looks like it's a nice.
The orange is nice on that.
It is nice, but they are.
Bro, that wrap is nice though.
Next month, I think Somerset is trying to do that.
Mercedes. Carbon fiber hood, NSX.
Is it a 5? It is a 5.
I think a Corvette's about to pull in or something.
I think so.
You can't lie, that interior is nice.
Yeah, the seats are nice. I like the seats.
Yeah.
Run track.
Texas Speed.
It's like sweet.
They brought the vet back out. Oh yeah. I mess with this, bro.
When we worked on it, it was just that sounds good. Bro, I would whip one of these any day.
Bruh. This Nardo is crazy. Nardo goes good on so many cars. Recaro.
Yeah, bro, I'm gonna have to get one of these no cap.
What is this?
Fucking M.
Oh,
D.
M Coupe.
Got some pretty good.
So older TT,
Yeah.
but sounds super nice though. He look like he about to show the fuck out for his wife, bro. Oh. Yup. Hit the gas, cuz. Hit the gas. Hit the gas.
That's 1,000 feet.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Anywhere you find a spot, yeah.
A little old.
Dude, that's fucking hilarious.
This boy, he is wild. Mark 5 rolling in. Thing is sweet. And a GTI rolling in right behind it. Bro, that's a silent bet. Bro, that bet is silent. That bet is silent, cuz. The Camaro's rolling in. Clean McLaren, right? 600 LT.
I would run that exact car.
Oh my god. Oh. Whoa. That sounds nice. Alright, cuz. What you got done to your car?
Shit, nothing's completely stock officer.
Is that cap?
Officer is completely stock.
Oh. Pull! Hit a pull, bro.
You and this right here. This bitch right here. That thing's fucking hilarious.
Look at that.
What the fuck?
Woo!
Got the crowd killer.
Oh my god. We got mans out here mowing the lawn.
Yeah, he's
Like-
not mowing the line, you fucking idiot. He's doing fertilizer.
Oh, he's fertilizing it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but he didn't need to do that. 392.
That's not too bad for some reason.
The black on black vet rolling in.
I want one of those.
Yeah.
Z06.
We got the McLaren pulling out. They were last night.
Get 5 stars.
Subi. STI. V8 swap.
Yeah, look at that.
He's gonna take off. Let's get it.
He's not taking it.
Z06 pulling out. Because we blocking the road.
We show out. It's got the verbal tape, bro.
That drop top 2-door.
He's bound to show out.
Old school rolling out. Swear, he wasn't even looking. Drop 350.
Damn, she cute though. She's
Showing out, man.
What you own in there?
Nothing, man.
We got
What's looking like?
nothing back here.
I gotta pop some drops in, bro. Should I give them up quick?
No. Yeah. But
Yeah.
No, it's not it. Nah.
Bro, chill out. Oh!
Oh, that
Hey.
sounds good, bro.
Maserati. Woo! One more loop through the lot. This cream Mustang looks nice. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Indianapolis Cars and Coffee, thanks for a great show out today. I think the next one is August 6th. So we'll see you guys then. But great show out today. At least like 300 to 400 cars. Super great morning. But shout out again, Indianapolis Cars and Coffee. And we'll see y'all.